Remanium star powder is a universal dental alloy in powder form which has stood the test of time worldwide. The grain size is ideal for the laser melting process. Here at Dentaurum, we have years of experience in this field, making us the ideal contact when it comes to using this process in the dental industry. We have developed a material that is suitable for use in the field of partial crowns, bridges and partial dentures. Scientifically tested elasticity in classed constructions is complemented by high bonding values of veneering ceramics. By selecting the best grain size, the framework surfaces are smooth and dense. Remanium star powder is therefore equally suitable for most common laser melting machines. Specially developed heat treatment programs that save time compensate for possible stresses during the production process. Decades of experience at Dentaurum with powder metallurgy in dental prosthetics and orthodontics can be transferred for the benefit of new digital methods.